Guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon cap. Let's go in TJ Maxx because they are supposed to be having a nice sale going on. I am looking for some room decor. I'm ready to decorate my entire house, so come on guys and shop with me. Okay guys, so here is the display. I'm going to start off with room decor first because I am redoing my YouTube room. That should be fun. So let me show you guys what I'm looking at. Okay guys, look at this. Those are cute. This is a lot of Easter. Oh, look at that, the family. Don't worry, be happy. The Easter carrot patch. $16. That ain't bad. So a lot of the Easter stuff is out. I like those. $7. We're happy about them. Oh my God. God, I am. That's cute. $3.99. This is glass. It's glass. Those are gorgeous. And this is felt. $6.99. That's pretty awesome. $6.99. That's gorgeous. Oh, look at the wrapping on the back, guys. Oh, here, I gotta go this way. See. The wrapping on the bike. $24. Keep sharing some carrots. That's cute. Okay, so I'm looking for some wall decor. I don't want it to be Easter. I want it to be, let's see. Okay, so I might have to, I'm gonna look and see. But, oh, look at that. That is so gorgeous. $14.99 a baby Buddha. That's gorgeous. Room decoration and wall decors. Happiness is homemade. Yes, it is. $24. That's pretty. Look at that. $12. That's what I like about this stuff. It's not that expensive. That's from India. Ooh. How much is it? $29. That's pretty. But I bought bowls for my washroom, so I don't need any bowls. I like these, the lamps and this. Those are $12. I like that. Okay. Look at the little wire duck. Okay, $4.99. Oh, it's only $4. That's cute. Look at him. I think that's a pottery set. That's pretty too. Those are cute. I like those. Okay. Okay, some wall decor. So here we go. Okay, I like the unicorn, but I don't want to look kiddie-ish. I always do this unicorn. Oh, and that's $19. So that will go good in my granddaughter room. Okay, you are my home and my adventure all in one. Okay. So, oh, it's still happy. There are pictures. Same. A bulletin board. There we go. And that's a pack. Okay. $16. 14. 32. Okay, flower marker, locally grown bulbs and blooms. I like that. And locally grown carrot patch. And how much are those? Oh, this $6. I'm getting it. Okay, that was $6. How much this one is? And that one is $6. But I don't want the carrot patch. That's $6, so well worth it. The magnetic board is $24. I like this. Oh, there go the red truck. Okay, so that was all the water. Oh, but look at this. It's pink, like a fuchsia color. Look at that. Okay, so this is the pink set. $3.99, $5.99. That's not bad right there. And then here's another one. You see what color it is? It's like a lilac. $5.99. All the bakeware. Got buns. I think the running price is $4. These are $4.99. So the other ones are $5. Look, cupcake pan. Oh, that's cute. 14. That's a nice price too. Then they have it in green. Then the green set, and then they have it in blue. But I don't see blue sets. These are silver. They do have that in blue. And they got that one in green. Okay. Okay, I'm impressed. I like this. Here's a baked set. Oh, this is the giant bowl, yeah. But I like this one. And that one, $14. Okay. So here it is, color pans. Those must watch the other ones. These are, and they $9 a piece. And it's up to 12. It look like they're going up to 12 and 14. Okay. Okay. So, and here's the pink, green, and blue. Oh, the little birds. They made out of little felt material. Look at this one. $5.99. Then we have to wrap it in the car. $9.99. The rabbit dish. $7.99. Oh wow. Then they got the green set. $6.99. Those are pretty. Gorgeous. Oh, look at her. That's the ballerina. $7.99. Okay. Happy Easter. Hello Spring. Those are cute. Excited. He's cute too. Okay guys, so I'm gonna let you go. I hope you all enjoyed this TJ MAXX walker. Remember, I'm looking for clothes for something for my YouTube room, and I'm redecorating my whole house. So make sure you guys hit like and subscribe and share this channel so I can keep making the videos. Bye.